Hello YouTube, welcome to Ghetto Gardening after like a bajillion years of not making videos. So today I'm gonna put this tomatillo plant, or tomatillo green, whatever, that I got from the 99 cents only store, and I put it in this big ass pot that I got from the Walmart. And we're using Lowe's flower and vegetable garden soil, you know, the one that's on sale for like $2 a bag, and it's a pretty good soil. It's I know what you're thinking, why am I using this soil? I should be using potting soil, but well, I don't know, I have a green thumb or whatever, but I could use practically any type of soil and it'll work. I've had zero problems with this soil, and I've read a lot of reviews on the internet saying that the soil sucks and you get a lot of trash, but I mean, I don't know, maybe it's just the Los Angeles area that actually has good quality. But I mean, this stuff works, you know, it's like, as long as you don't pack it in. I mean, I like potting soil and whatnot, like the Miracle Grow stuff and the Kellogg's Patio Plus and whatnot, but the issue here is that we're in Southern California and we're prone to droughts, and you know, even though it rained like a bajillion trillion gallons last year, they flushed all that stuff back into the ocean for whatever reason, so we have no water anymore, and this stuff, it's good at holding in moisture, so I don't have to water as often, unlike potting soil, the water will just go straight down to the bottom, and I don't want that right now. But yeah, let me finish filling in this, because it's hard to do it with one hand and record that, and I have limited space, so I'll be back. Okay, so we're back about 5 minutes later. So got it pretty much filled up to there, so I'm thinking that should be a good height for like probably fill up the dirt to like about there, and it'll probably, I don't know, dirt probably be like around this high maybe. And so I'll start backfilling it in a little bit, bury it deep enough so like the roots and whatnot could grow, because it has like hairs and stuff. I don't know, there's other videos that explain it better, but there's hairs on the stem, and when they come in contact with dirt, they make roots. And but yeah, it's a pretty big pot, 16 inches I believe. The plant should grow pretty big. So alright, so I'll be back in just a jiffy. Okay, so we're back. It's 5 minutes later, and I got the whole thing finished all the way to the top. So it used an entire bag, a 1 cubic foot bag. They were $2 at Lowe's each bag. Yeah, advertising, but I think the sale's over. But I think they might have switched to the Miracle Grow, you know, the smaller bags. So I think those might be on sale right now. I don't know, I have to check it out. But yeah, I used the whole bag. It's I created like a little mound. It's deeper here than it is up here. It's a little hill. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but you can tell in person. It's but yeah, it's so I buried that pretty deep. The plant, it was pretty tall to begin with. The root ball was kind of small. It had like about, you know, I don't know if you saw it earlier in the video, but it had a couple leaves at the bottom. I pretty much ripped those out, and I buried it up to there. I'm gonna leave that sucker there, because hopefully that sucker will create like another stem to go this way, make more tomatillos, and yeah, because yeah, we use these to make salsa and whatnot. They're really good. Yeah, it's a pretty nice sized pot. Good color too. Yeah, $7 I believe. Well, anyway, it's, well, this project is done. So if it needs more dirt, I'll just add some more, because I have like freaking like 20 of those bags. But all right, short little video, simple little project. It's I think I should start making videos of like all the updates and stuff. I should start doing that. Turn my channel from a gaming channel to a gardening channel. And the noisy dog's over there somewhere. Or that commercial would say, why not both? Haha, haha. Alright. Well, see you guys later. I'll post a video, I guess, to see how, about a month, to see how far this thing has gotten. It's, I'll probably do a video tour of the gardens and all the plants that I have, like the coleus, aloe vera, and the blueberries over there, which are growing really good. Yeah, I use cat litter boxes, so what? Alright. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, whatever, you know, all that good stuff. Alright, see you later. Bye.